Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm great, ma'am.
Okay, congratulations on completing your internship, Adarsh.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so can you briefly introduce yourself, Adarsh?
In my academic journey, throughout my academic journey till now, I have been actively involved in the various project. I'm telling
Mm-hmm.
about the motto behind this internship. Uh, I have primarily was working on the various technology like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and through this technology, I have been develops many projects on the basis of front end, and was looking forward to the back end because I was very passionate about the web designing, poster designing, web technology. So I have a strong passion about it. So in my past, I have completed the front end development. So that's why I was looking towards the full stack development, and the resources who can teach me and give me the opportunity to work on the real time project. That opportunity I was looking forward. So through this internship, I got this opportunity. I got this opportunity, and I am grateful for it.
Okay, Adarsh. So can you tell me how did you get to know about our internship?
Yeah, sure. Actually, I got this opportunity through our college group, through our college training and placement group, and I am grateful for their assistance because they play a very crucial role for the students to update the various opportunity for the internship or for the job vacancies. So I watched that opportunity and decided to apply here. And through that, means from that day, I was very curious to join this opportunity because I have to work on the MERN stack. MERN stack means MongoDB and all Express.js technology. I have to work on it. So if someone is giving someone is giving this opportunity with a real time project, that is well and good. So that's why I applied over here, and my journey has been started.
Okay, which college are you studying in, Adarsh?
Yeah, basically I am from Maharashtra, and my college is belongs to Nagpur. My college name is Priyadarshini JL College of Engineering, and it's my final year is going now right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So Adarsh, how was the mentor support during the internship?
Yeah, I'm very grateful for the support and the mentorship for that I have received from this WebStack Academy, and I would like to special thanks to our Richa ma'am, who help us to in every situation throughout our journey, and I'm grateful for her support and guidance throughout this journey.
Okay, Adarsh. So what do you say to your juniors about this internship?
Yeah, I think the one who just recently started their journey in the engineering, just recently started their journey in the development field. They just it is a great opportunity because you know you will not here only work on the project. Here you guys are teaching to the students from the scratch. So one who are the from second year or third year, it is a great opportunity for them, and I think everyone should at least try for this to get the meaningful experience from this academy. And I will suggest you to my junior also to give you to get such kind of experience for their future perspective. And from my side, if I telling my experience, it was a fantastic experience for me, and invaluable educational learning experience. And because I applied the practical skills, uh, I got the industry exposure, best practices, and yeah, also I boost my skills, my previous skills. So whatever I gain, whatever knowledge, experience, skills I have gained, I have received from this academy, from this internship, I hope it will be definitely benefit in my future perspective in the field of full stack developer.
Okay. So Adarsh, have you attended the Disha workshops conducted by Jaykumar sir?
Actually, ma'am, I missed that due to some
Okay,
reason.
that's okay, okay. So
Yeah.
Adarsh, can you summarize the internship like from the start to the end?
Yeah, sure. If I summarize this internship, you will be getting the real-time project. Means if someone is going to start from the scratch, the mentor will guide them from the scratch, and it's equally depend on the students as well, because the mentor are putting their efforts, but it's their duty, it's students' duty to do their best and to complete their task as per time. So I would recommend to the juniors, I would recommend to uh, the students who just started this journey to don't depend on the mentor, because their work only to guide you and to clear each and every concept. But this development field is not about the learning and all, it's all about the practice. More you practice, more you become better over here. So this is the great opportunity. And one thing I really like the most, which is recording session. Means actually I have missed from my side, I missed 2 to 3 session, but through the recording I have covered that session, and it was grateful for me. So yeah, that's all.
Okay, Adarsh, it was very nice listening to your feedback for our internship.
Yeah, pleasure,
Thanks,
ma'am.
Adarsh.
Thank you so much.